This is an aerial view of Stony Creek Farm in historic Franklin, Tennessee. In 2005, when we bought the farm, we had no idea what God had in store for us. But we have since then developed a teaching farm where we teach others how to grow their own healthy food without pesticides or harmful chemicals and how to use our resources wisely for future generations. We jumped off the corporate ladder to further develop our dream, and we have 7 unique income streams that come from our sustainable life. We have a UPIC summer garden rental plots, and classes in the homesteading arts which teach things like gardening, beekeeping, canning, fermenting, and so much more. Our goal is to develop a wider audience and create a forum of people who share ideas and mentor each other about sustainable living. Stay on and learn a little bit more about us, and please consider joining our membership site. Hello, I'm Lee.
I'm Olin, and this is Harley.
And we're the Funderburks at Stony Creek Farm in Franklin, Tennessee. We want to invite you to join our membership site. We started it this year to create a forum of people so that we could share ideas about sustainable living. Part of that has to do with healthy food that you can grow yourself with no pesticides. We also want to learn other sustainable practices like composting, rainwater capture, all of that. But it's mainly being self-sufficient so that you don't have to depend on the grocery store for your food. And also all of the wonderful things that come along with that. One thing in particular that we truly love is the peaceful nature of our farm. We jumped off the corporate ladder some years ago, and we have not regretted 1 minute of it. And we want to help you do that too if that's your dream. We've created 7 different income streams here at Stony Creek Farm to help support our farm and ourselves. So we hope you'll join our membership site today, and please let us know if you have any further questions about it.
Yep, as Harley says, join today.